So, if you lost your key in your roof racks on your Audi, I'm going to show you how exactly you can drill them out and how they practically work. As you can see, we have the 4 key lock cylinders. There's 2 on each side of the car, one in the front, one in the back, left and right. So you got the key. As you can see, when you put the key in, it takes all the tumblers off so you can take it out. Obviously, when you take the key out, as you can see, those tumblers stick out. Well, anyway, let's get to the drilling. I'll show you what to do, and let's get on it. Okay, what we first want to do is want to pop off this cover right here. This is the metal cover that will expose all those tumblers. Just like so. There's your little keyway. We'll take those off, just like that. And now we can go ahead and drill right through the center of that. Which is going to be fairly easy because this body is made out of plastic, so let's get to it. Okay, I'm done drilling here. As you can see, the 6mm drill bit is the perfect size you need. It'll fit right into the hole. It'll drill out the first tumbler, the second tumbler, and hear how the last piece comes out. You want to obviously stay as center as possible, and that's pretty much it. Just repeat that to the next 3 and you should be done. Install the new tumblers and you are set. Okay, and the last step will be cleaning up the plastic in here. It's supposed to, just think about it like a cross. There's going to be one up and down, left to right. As you can see, drilling it out forces the drill bit, or I should say the lock cylinder, to come out a little crooked. So what we're going to do with a file, let me put my light down here. We're going to clean these up just like this. Just take out the sharp edges out. I'm going to go ahead and clean it out, and I'll show you how it looks like when it's supposed to be done. Alright, there it is. There's all the 4 of them that I just drilled out. This procedure takes less than 15 minutes, I should say. And as you can see, we have all the new ones here with the new key. They all fully function. They work. And I hope this video can help you guys out. If anyone needs to do it, like I said, all you need is the 6mm drill bit, a nice small file to file down the plastic covers, because they will get just slightly little damage when you drill them out. But besides that, everything's all set, ready to go. Thanks again.